My name is Sulaiman Mejia. Today I'll be presenting about UCLA, University of California, Los Angeles. UCLA was established in May 23, 1919, and it's located in Los Angeles, California. UCLA is the most applied university in the nation, and their mascot is a Bruin and is an English folk term for brown bear. Community, they offer a variety of community programs and partnerships for students. Students are able to involve in community, partnering up with leaders, and improve social movement, I guess you can say. And students who are interested in health and community service, they can join Mobile Clinic for Health and Bruin Corps for community service. University of California offers 130 undergraduate majors and they are in 7 academic divisions, and they have 90 minor majors as well, and some of them are global health, accounting, biomedical studies, and etc. And they have 150 graduate degree programs, and they have North and South campus, and they equal to 150 departments/programs. The university fee is $13,239. Also, with the health insurance is $2,605, and the house cost depends on your room and meal plan that you choose. And the 4 types of financial aid you could have in UCLA is scholarships, grants, loans, and you could also have a student part-time job. Students have an option to live on campus or off campus. For on campus and resident halls, it will be about $13,239, and tuition is very different for any student housing plan. So every student, of course, has a different plan, and it has financial independence. Most undergrad students are not California residents, so it is a difference between California residents and non-California residents. UCLA wants their students to have a 3.0 GPA, no grade lower than a C, and this year's stats or ACT scores will not be needed until 2024. And if you're not a California resident, UCLA requires you to have a 3.4 GPA, and for transfer students, they want the average GPA to be a 3.5 to complete most of all major courses, and the student has to be employed and be involved with campus activities, and they want to see a growth during your education. UCLA has more than 1,000 clubs and organizations established, and you are able to volunteer, be in a sorority house, and be involved in campus events. UCLA also has a radio station, and UCLA offers varsity sports programs. Men have 11 sports, and some of them are football, golf, and soccer, and women have 14, and they have golf, rowing, and soccer. Diversity in UCLA is 25,300 UC undergraduates, and 39% of them are Asian, 31% is Caucasian, 20% are Latino, and 4% is African, and these are last fall stats. UCLA they want every student to have success throughout their time being in UCLA, so they support them with a variety of support centers and programs. They provide service and resources to freshmen and alumni, and they customize your course selection and find opportunities for you. And it was explained that once you're a Bruin, you're always a Bruin. And I wanted to do my college presentation on UCLA because I loved researching about it, and this presentation made me realize that UCLA is my dream school, and I hope I could get in. And that is all. Thank you for watching, and yeah.